Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. In this video, I'll introduce past perfect continuous tense which makes your English very stylish. By the end of the video, you will have the best understanding of how and when to use this tense, use of since and for, construction of sentences and practice exercises to help you revise the rules. Students, please provide your valuable suggestions and queries in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply. And if you like my video, please press the thumbs up button. And if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. At the onset, let us study the use of past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to denote an action that had been going on for some time before another action took place in the past. For example, I had been studying for 2 hours when he came. Another explanation could be it denotes an action that took place in the past for some duration. For example, I had been staying in New Delhi for 5 years. Now students, you must know what is the difference between past continuous and past perfect continuous tense. Because in gap filling, I have seen often students make mistake here. See, in past continuous, we say I was studying. In past perfect continuous, we say I had been studying for 5 years. Here, duration is given to answer for how long the action was taking place. So, when the duration is given, you must use had been plus present participle. If duration is not given, then you can use was or were plus present participle. In perfect continuous tenses, we make use of since and for. So here, since is used with point of time, when specific time is given. For example, since 5 o'clock, since Thursday, since March, since 2011, since yesterday, since morning, since Christmas. And for is used when the action has been in progress for a period of time or duration. For example, for 30 minutes, for 2 hours, for 3 days, for 4 weeks, for 5 years, for a decade, for a century, and so on. Now, let us see how to frame affirmative sentences in past perfect continuous tense. See, the rules are subject plus had been plus first form of verb plus ing, that is present participle, plus object. Object is optional. So, students, this tense is very simple, very easy, because here we use had been with all the subjects. Let us see some examples. I had been listening to music for many days. We had been solving the sums for 2 hours when you joined us. You had been writing a letter for half an hour. They had been working on their project for 5 months. He had been working at the company for 3 years when he got the promotion. She had been applying for jobs for 6 months. It had been raining for 3 hours. Switching on to the negative construction of sentences, the format is subject plus had plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing, that is present participle, plus object. So students, it's very simple. For framing negative sentence, you just have to add not between had and been. Let us have a look at some examples. I had not been listening to music for many days. We had not been solving the sums for 2 hours when you joined us. You had not been writing a letter for half an hour. They had not been working on their project for 5 months. He had not been working at the company for 3 years when he got the promotion. She had not been applying for jobs for 6 months. It had not been raining for 3 hours. Now, let us study the rules for framing interrogative sentences. Here, had precedes the subject and been follows it. So, the rule is had, here H should be capital, plus subject, plus been, plus first form of verb, plus ing, plus object and question mark in the end. For example, had I been listening to music for many days? Question mark. Had we been solving the sums for 2 hours when you joined us? Question mark. Had you been writing a letter for half an hour? Question mark. Had they been working on their project for 5 months? Question mark. Had he been working at the company for 3 years when he got the promotion? Question mark. Had she been applying for jobs for 6 years? Question mark. Had it been raining for 3 hours? Question mark. In negative interrogative sentences, we have to add not after the subject. So, the rule is had plus subject plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object and then question mark. Examples: had I not been listening to music for many days? Question mark. Had we not been solving the sums for 2 hours when you joined us? Question mark. Had you not been writing a letter for half an hour? Question mark. Had they not been working on their project for 5 months? Question mark. Had he not been working at the company for 3 years when he got the promotion? Question mark. Had she not been applying for jobs for 6 months? Question mark. Had it not been raining for 3 hours? Question mark. Now students, I hope you would have understood the rules, and here is the exercise. So question 1, fill in the blanks using the past perfect continuous tense. So here you have to fill had been plus first form of verb plus ing. Question number 2 is rewrite the following sentences in past perfect continuous tense. So using the rules of past perfect continuous tense, you have to convert the given statements into this tense. Question 3, fill in the blanks using since or for. And students, answers of this exercise will be available in my next video. So please watch the upcoming video for checking your answers. Now here you can find the answers to lecture 7, that is past perfect tense. Here you can match your answers. Thank you students for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.